I would say, go test it out. Test it out in a small group and let me know what the results are, and then we can expand it if it makes sense. And then on top of that, I said, hey, here's what I would definitely recommend. You're trying to stay in front of this project, you're seeing that the team is falling behind. Set up what I call office hours. And what you do is you put a time on your calendar and you send it out to the team and say, "Hey, I have open office hours, so that way, for an hour, you can drop in at any time to ask me any questions, or if you need me to pull people in for us to have a conversation, I'm here to support." And do you know how effective that was? Matter of fact, I'm putting that in my next book because I know how effective that was. And what it does is it creates a sense of, watch this, family. It creates a sense of people feeling like, oh, they really are committed, because you are. If you're going to take time out and open up an hour or 2 hours of your schedule and say, hey, there's no point of sitting there trying to figure out, come in here, we can have a brainstorming session. I seriously put this time and block my calendar off to make sure you get the proper support that's required.